Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how developers and users can search news articles for any topic using the newsdata.io News API. So, let's dive in. The first step is simple. Go to newsdata.io and create a free account. Once you sign up, you'll get a free API key. This key allows your application to request news articles from the platform. The API collects news from thousands of global sources, so you can search topics from all around the world. Now, let's actually search for some news. For a step-by-step tutorial on News Data Query Builder, you can check out another video. I provided the link in the description. Let's say we want to search for news about Iran war updates. With news data, you simply add a keyword using the Q parameter. What this does is it searches articles containing the keyword, collects results from multiple sources, and returns structured data. The API then sends back results in JSON format, including the title, sources, description, publication date, and article link. This allows developers to easily display news in applications, dashboards, or websites. The keyword search parameter is specifically designed to find articles containing the topic anywhere in the news content. Now, sometimes you want more precise results. Instead of searching the entire article, you may want to search only headlines. For that, News Data provides another parameter called Q title. You just simply select it, and this will return articles where Iran appears directly in the title, making the results much more focused. This is extremely useful for breaking news alerts, trending topic tracking, and news monitoring systems. Now, here where things get powerful. You can filter news articles in multiple ways. For example, by country, by language, or by category. Let's say if you only want news from the US, you just simply select United States in the country filter. Or you just want news articles in English language, you can select language as English. Let's say if you're building a finance dashboard, you can select your category as business. You can also combine these filters. Let's say if you want your news in English language about Bitcoin from the country US. This query will give you Bitcoin news in English from US sources. Now, that level of filtering makes it incredibly useful for data analysis, monitoring, and automation tools. Developers use these features to build things like stock market news dashboards, AI tools that summarize trending topics, or custom news websites. Because instead of collecting articles manually, the API does all the work for you. So, if you're building an application or a project that needs real-time news-specific topics, this is one of the easiest way to do it. If you want to try it yourself, get your free API key from newsdata.io. The link is in the description. I've also added example code and resources to help you start building right away. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment on what project you're building, subscribe for more developer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.